everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair, back with another video. So I'm going to show you two easy breezy summer styles that hopefully you can all do and love. I love them. Let's get started. So I've just done a really quick sort of wave to the hair, and this first style is almost going to be like a ponytail, half up, half down. But again, I'm not going to use any products. I'm barely going to use a comb, just my fingers. I'm going to leave some bits out at the front, and then we're going to take a section of hair from this crown area here. Okay, again, I'm just going to go nice and rough with it. So just kind of dragging my fingers through, and we're going to pop a little elastic in here. Just kind of loosen that off a little bit, make a hole in the centre, and then just grab this ponytail and pop it through there. And then I'm just going to kind of tease this bit out a little bit. You're then going to pin this bit out of the way. Next, we're going to drag two more bits from the side, pop an elastic in there, release that one back down. Now what you're going to do is exchange these ponytails. So fingers go through here, you're going to grab the underneath one and just pull it up and through like that. And then just going to kind of manipulate with my fingers this top section here and just kind of mess it up, pull it out a little bit. And then just take a comb and just give a little bit of back comb to this underneath ponytail here. And then if you feel like you want a little bit less down at the front, you can just kind of grab these strands and just kind of pin them. So it's like a really quick like hybrid of like a half up or almost a ponytail. So I want to do a little spin for you. So that's style one finished. I'm going to go straight into style two for you now. So the next quick beachy style is chunk of hair left out at the front this side and the other side. You're going to take a sort of chunk of hair just behind the ear, let all this hair just fall over there, and you're going to do a 3-strand braid. Just popping an elastic in there, guys. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Next, what I'm going to do is just take one braid, and you're going to take that over the top there, round to the other side. Then I'm going to pick up a small piece of hair and join those together, nice and tight. Take another elastic. We're going to attach that braid to that piece of hair so that it stays. Now that braid is kind of attached to the sides, and I'm just going to place that, rather than going on top, I'm going to place it sort of side by side to sort of thicken up that braid all the way around. Again, taking a little strand of hair, joining it together with that braid, another little elastic here. Take out that little elastic there, so that's joined together. And then what you'll do is just kind of take this hair that's this side of the braid and just kind of place it there so you can't see any of this going on, you see that. There we go, guys. So you've just got that little cute accent braid at the top here, the sort of bangs at the front, and then just a nice textured, easy breezy beach style there, but like literally 2 minutes. Always do more curls to it, or you can kind of tie it up a little bit as a sort of like half up like that. I hope you enjoyed this style. Please subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check out my friend Anne over on Two Little Girls Hairstyles for lots of braiding ideas.